Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunities Circle, the #1 opportunities discovering platform. We're back with another application guide video. In this application guide video, we have a golden opportunity for students who want to pursue pharmacy in Australia. We present you the Monash University International Pharmacy Scholarship 2021 for undergraduate students. Applications are open for the Monash University International Pharmacy Scholarship. The scholarship is open to all international students who want to pursue an undergraduate degree in Australia and aim to study pharmacy. Above all, the scholarship is available throughout the year. You can apply anytime you want. The scholarship aims to support and promote pharmacy among students who cannot afford to study or belong to developing countries. International students with outstanding academic records are encouraged to apply for this golden opportunity. Monash University is the second oldest university in the state of Victoria, Australia, founded in the year 1958. It is established as a public research university. Monash University has a global reputation of itself in teaching methodologies and quality. Monash University offers various courses along with the best academic facilities. Students will have a great educational environment and experience under the supervision of top-class professors. So if you want to study pharmacy, prepare and start with the application process today. The eligibility criteria to apply for the Monash University International Pharmacy Scholarship: candidates must be international students. They must have completed their higher education that must be equivalent to the Australian high school studies. Citizens of Australia and New Zealand are ineligible for this program. Candidates must have an English proficiency certificate. Candidates must be currently pursuing an undergraduate degree in either Bachelor's of Pharmacy at any Monash campus in Australia. Candidates must have an overseas qualification at the time of application. An overseas applicant with an Australian qualification who has not applied for a course through VTAC is eligible for this scholarship. Students will be selected on the basis of their academic records. The highest achieving student will be awarded the scholarship. Benefits of the Monash University Pharmacy Scholarship: financial coverage up to $100,000, 50% tuition fee will be paid per year until the minimum credit point for the degree, 25% tuition fee will be paid per year until the minimum credit points for the degree are completed. This will be awarded to the second two highest achieving students. To retain this scholarship, the candidate must maintain a weighted average mark of 70 each semester. To apply for the scholarship program, click on the link given in the description section of this video, and after clicking on the link, scroll down towards the application process section and click on Apply Now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, you'll be redirected to the Monash University official website. On this website, you can see the Pharmacy International Undergraduate Merit Scholarship. Click on See Details. You can see Are you eligible, benefits, number of scholarships offered per year, selection criteria, and how to apply. No application is required. All eligible students who apply for an undergraduate course at Monash will be automatically assessed. Scholarship cannot be deferred. Every scholarship may have a different application process or none at all. Read the application details carefully and submit your applications by the deadline. For more details, visit our scholarship application page. Current students have to apply for the scholarship program. You will need your Monash student ID, your applicant ID and password, username and password. Check which supporting documentation you need to provide. Application takes 30 to 60 minutes to complete. Students employed full-time by Monash University on a continuing basis or fixed-term contract for 12 months or more are not eligible to apply for coursework scholarships and grants. To apply for the scholarship program, you have to first apply at Monash University Pharmacy Program. To start your application, you have to go to How to Apply and click on International Student Applications. You have to click on Undergraduate Level, and then you have to select Apply Directly to Monash. After clicking on Apply Directly to Monash, scroll down towards the International Applicants section and click on Apply Now. After clicking on Apply Now, you will be required to sign up. If you are a new user, click on Sign Up. You have to add in your first name, your last name, and your email address, and then click on Sign Up. After signing up, you have to check your email account for an email from Monash University and follow the steps in the email. After following the steps, you will be redirected to this page where you have to set a password. And after setting a password, click on Set and Login. After logging in, firstly you have to add in your personal details. You have to add in your title, your birth date, your gender, and your country of birth. Then you have to add in your contact information, your country, street, email address, home phone number, and your mobile phone number. And then you have to click on Save and Continue. After adding in your personal details, you have to click on Start Application. You have to select the location you want to study in and the type of study. Start coursework application. The first step is privacy declaration. Click on Continue. The second step is personal details. As you have already added personal details, you have to answer a few more questions in this section, such as citizenship and visa details, citizenship type. You have to select from the drop-down list, and then you have to check yes or no. Access and equity. Do you have a disability, mental health issue, ongoing medical condition that may affect your studies or may prevent you to undertake full-time study? Select yes or no. After that, click on Save and Continue. Then you have to select your study preferences. You have to search your course, search pharmacy, Bachelor's of Pharmacy, and show start dates. Select the date in which you want to start, view course options, select the course, click on Add to Application, and then click on Save and Continue. The next step is your educational history. Click on Add New Qualification. Please select the type of qualification you wish to add. Click on Secondary Education, country in which you studied, qualification name, school name, and when do you expect to complete your qualification and your comments. And then click on Save, and you can add in your other qualifications same by clicking on the Add New Qualification. Then you have to add in your work experience. Add work experience by clicking on Plus Work Experience, and after adding in both these you have to click on Save and Continue. The next step is sponsorship or proxy, and after answering these, click on Save and Continue. The next step is the required documents: change of name certificate or marriage certificate, proof of residency, and other documents. And after adding in your documents, click on Save and Continue. You can review your application in the Application Review section. And then the next step is that you have to submit your application fee, which is 100 Australian dollars through credit card. You can select through which option you want to submit your application fee, and after submitting your application fee, you have to click on Save and Continue. And then the final step, after adding in your application fee, then you will be moved to the final step, that is the student declaration. And after the student declaration, you will not be able to edit any documents or any information that you have provided in your admission application. This will be the final step, and you have to be very careful before submitting your application because your acceptance depends on all your information provided. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.